Welcome to another episode of the Wong Reviewer. In my hand, I have the Tapplock finger scan lock. This is what I believe is one of the best tech products for parents who have kids in various activities and uses a locker for them. Here's why. So every swimming season, we have to go through this same routine of me trying to figure out what the combo is for this lock. It sits in my kids' swimming backpacks, and every 10 weeks we finish. I throw the backpack away with all the swimming stuff in it, and then a couple months later we bring it back out for swimming lessons. And each time I take out this lock and I curse this thing, going, what is the combo for this? And so it usually goes like this. I shout out, hey, do you know what the combo is? And they usually get a response of, I have no idea, look in the drawer. So I go, open this drawer. I'm pretty sure every family has what they call a junk drawer where everything's thrown in there. So we have stacks of paper, mail, notepads, scissors, tape, stickers, like everything's in here. So I'm spending at least 10 minutes going through each of these pieces of paper, trying to figure out if I can find that one sticker or piece of paper at least to show where that combo is. And I'm doing this every time. So, and then I kind of think maybe I have it on my phone. So now I figure, maybe I was smart enough to take a picture of it on my phone. So now I'm on my phone, looking through all the various pictures, scrolling through to see if I can find that one sticker. So I'm looking to see if I can find that one picture of that combo. And so this is a big ordeal where I'm looking for the combo for this lock. I was reading one of my tech websites and came across a Canadian company called Tapplock that invented a finger scanned lock. I was intrigued and I looked it up online, as you can see here, and I was quickly sold on it. I was reading through its features. As a Canadian, I was happy to support a local company. I'll leave a link in the description below, but take note that there is a 25% off sale right now for Valentine's Day. We are going to set up a user profile on the Tapplock app itself, and then enroll my son's fingerprints onto the lock so he can unlock it himself. So first, what we have to do is you have to connect it to Bluetooth by hitting it 3 times. See the blue light? Oh, it's disconnected, so I'm going to triple click. Now it says connected. I'm at 90% battery. I am going to set up a fingerprint. I'm going to add a new user. I'm just going to put child 1 for my son. Not because he's my first child, but because I don't want to put his name on the internet. I'm going to hit save. And so you have a choice between left and right thumb and all the different fingers, thumb, index, middle, ring, and little. I guess it's your pinky, they call it little. So we're gonna roll my son here. So we're gonna click on your left or right. We're gonna click on the right thumb. As it says, do you want to add this fingerprint? We're gonna click OK. And now he is going to enroll his thumb. It says added successfully. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add his, so his right one is done and says it's highlighted there. I'm going to do his left thumb now. I'm going to hit the left thumb. Do you want to add his finger? I'm going to say OK. Done. It says added finger successfully. I'm going to click OK. So now his left and right thumbs are registered to the Tapplock. So what we're going to do is we're going to try it out. Just for fun, we're going to compare my time opening a traditional lock versus the Tapplock. Okay. All right, so count us down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. seconds. 12 seconds. 3 to 12.
Okay. So this is the main reason why I purchased this lock, was for swimming lessons and for other kids' activities that requires a lock. As you can see, my kids are very capable of using it, and when they're done swimming, they just unlock it and grab their stuff, and we're good to go. Overall, I'm very happy with the quality of the lock and the convenience that this lock offers me. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for future content. Thank you, and until next time.